Okay everyone, so here we have an HP Slate 21 with touchscreen problem. Up. Many of you have this problem. Where is the power button? Here. Okay. Problem is due to IR reflective tape being broken. There is one on each border. I have a contact with this brand, Visualplas, which sent me, you see it's not working here, send me some sample. See, touchscreen is not working. Okay, so let's try with Visualplas IR band. I will try first with TPR. Okay, so let's see if the size is good. Size is good. Maybe I can cut it. Okay, need to cut it at the grid. Okay, so I take the tape if I can. Put it. Yeah, it's not so easy. Okay, we'll cut. Need to cut it at the good size. Okay. Seems there is some protective tape on it. Okay. Now it's not working, so up. I put the power back. I just check everything is good here. Okay. Okay. So now I replaced the upper one, and we'll see if it works with TPR 208. No, TPR 800. Okay, touchscreen is working well. We managed to repair this all is working. So let's everyone repair your Slate 21 with Visualplas IR Retroreflector band. Thank you.